Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. I got a few questions now how to basically do everything, how to register and all these nice things. So, if you want to use my amazing robot, there are a few steps you need to do. It's quite simple, but simple for me, but can be complicated for other people. First, you come to a page like this. You're going to register it, and you get a few things here that is not correct, but you just bear with me. Put in all the information you see here. Then you put your name, last name, your cell phone number, the currency you want to use, your email, password you want to use. Then basically choose which broker. Does not matter which one you choose. Binary Sense is the most modern one, so I would choose that one. Says min deposit $250. Don't think so much about that. Then you're not a robot. Push this. If you are from the United States, does not matter. Just push these two. They don't. This is just something they need to add as information for the governments to think that everything is okay. But does not matter. I know many from United States using Winbot Pro, so completely okay for you to use it here. Then you register. Then you confirm your email. So then we'll take the next step. Then you log in. You're not a robot. When you log in here, I just made a test account here now. Then you can see, when you choose this one here, it says the minimum deposit $250. But as you want to use my robot, I have a special deal with them and only works when you're using my link. Then you will see this robot is in the top there now. This robot does not exist for any other people on Winbot Pro. Only for you all that is following me can use this robot. So see there now, Alpha One iBot. We choose that one here. And you see what happened? Now minimum deposit is $100. Then you push unlock this robot. You will then be sent to the broker you chose. We did choose Binary Sense, and then basically just log in with the same password and that you used for Winbot Pro, and you just make a deposit of $100 because now you will be unlocked to only deposit $100. So that's basically the first step on using the robot. You have now got a robot for only $100. And of course, make sure you use the promo code that you find below this video, or you also, if you are registering for the first time now, check out the link up there right now. And now I'll show you how to use the robot. So now you have made a deposit. Then it looks like this. Of course, you will not have 38,000. Of course, you can if you want to deposit that much. But yeah, then it looks something like this. The only thing you need to do now you have made a deposit, you have now used your promo code, you have used my link, otherwise you could not deposit $100, and you see now up there now Alpha One bot. So now to use this, you just push this robot that you see here in the top. Then you see in the top here says Alpha One iBot. See here, right? The only thing you need to do now, make sure at the same time you log into your broker. You see here now, up here you see the trading pairs. I have just added them from before. That's the 5 trading pairs this robot is using. So you can just push the plus button and add these 5 just from before. Then what you do, you just push this run button. You wait then till you see the pair come up down here, because the robot maybe take like 1 minute to find that trade, and then the trade will come down here, and you basically then go back. I do just one trade. I go back here again, I push stop, and I go back here and I follow the trade, and that's how you use this robot. So it's quite simple. So I hope that helps some of you guys, so you know how to use Winbot Pro with my robot and how you can deposit only $100. So with that, have an amazing day.